Welcome to MST School of Trading. Dear traders, we have been using the same indicator named iCore 2.0 for a couple of years. We are not changing any concept. We are not asking you to have any confirmation like this candlestick, that candlestick, this pattern, that pattern and all. This method is very simple. This method is very simple, and it's also giving you a consistent profit. Consistent in the sense, one day it will give and next day also it will give, and overall in a month it will make you in profit only. So now you can see what has happened. Just I'm scrolling you. That day what happened, here we have got one bearish R3C pattern and we set buy put option, and it has come down here, and immediately we should not go for the buy entry here because of this giant candle. We have to wait for one reversal. If we don't get reversal, then we have to go for the second sell only. So here second sell activated and all the targets hit. Again second sell activated, first target hit. Again first buy activated, all the targets hit. Once again first sell activated, all the targets hit. Again first buy activated, targets hit. So how this is possible? It looks like a magic, right? Exactly, it is coming to our zone, then it is getting reversed, and it is going to reach the other zone. From there it is come rejected, then it is coming down. How it is possible? And this is the magic of our iCore 2.0 based on the algorithm. So now I will show you this also, right? This is on 21st March. Market has opened somewhere and it was trading in same range bound for couple of 5 to 7 5 minutes candle. Once the high of the day is broken, the candle has formed a very giant candle, the candle with bullish strength. It has reached our sell zone. Okay, so there we could see one bearish confirmation, and followed by, once this low candle is broken, we have to wait for the close of this candle. So this candle has exactly touched the close of the second candle, so we could go for the put option buy or call option sell, and from there exactly it has fallen till our buy zone only. See this accuracy, from top to bottom exactly it has caught, and after that it did not break our zone. It has given the reversal, and again it has given the 3 targets. So this is how our indicator is working consistently in all the market, in all the script. But we are also emphasizing, please do not jump onto different scripts every day. If you are trading in the Bank Nifty, keep trading only in the Bank Nifty. If you are trading in the Nifty, keep trading only in the Nifty. If you are trading in a particular stock like Reliance, Tata or some other thing, keep trading on the particular stocks only. So that then only you will get the consistency. And if you are trading in 2 to 3 scripts same day, daily, then it is well and good. But don't ignore to trade in a particular script every day. So trading in a particular script will yield you more profit than jumping here and there. Suppose say you are trading in Bank Nifty today and you got a profit, and tomorrow you got a loss, and day after tomorrow, since you faced loss in yesterday's trade and you are jumping to Nifty, so Nifty might give you loss also on that day or profit also, right? So if we change like here and there based on the profit and loss, you can never win in the market. So you calculate your profit and loss on a monthly basis, or a yearly basis, and if you could make some 60% in a year, I'm telling, you have done a wonderful work. Okay, making 10% from the business magnates are struggling in this era. So you could make 60% very easily just by trading in one script. So that is how we are telling, please think over it, you will get achievement. Thank you all for watching our video. If you are not subscribed to YouTube channel, please go to YouTube channel and search for MST School of Trading and join, subscribe, like and comments your valuable points. And if you're not joined our Telegram group called MST School of Trading, please join, and there also you can share your comments. Thank you all. Bye bye. Wish you all happy profitable day ahead.